Today we're going to talk about the VFX-EVO liner removal and installation. It's actually pretty easy once you know a couple of tricks. The first thing you want to do is not chase it around the table. We have a nice little donut here that holds the helmet in place. You could circle a towel on a table, throw another towel over it, create your own little pocket for the helmet, or you could sit with it on your lap, however you want to do it, but you don't want to be chasing it around. So the first thing you do before you remove your liner is get this little flap. You can see this little flap that fits into this vent and over this lip. You want to just pull it back and push it down into the groove. So all we're doing it is kind of tucking it away to get it out of the way so we can easily remove the liner. Like this out of the front, and then 2 snaps in the back and out it comes. On the way back in, just do the exact opposite. You don't have to worry about the back right yet. Now with this flap out of the way, you start in the center and we insert into the grooves. You can see these grooves line up. They line up nicely. Slip them in and then push these in. Now you can see the center's in fine, and then work to one side. So hold this in, and you can see how they line up into these grooves. They slip in nicely, both sides. Once that's in, put the side in, and you can see this one's in nicely. This fits in nicely, the center's in, and then work over and do the other side. This fits in the groove, this fits in the groove here. Put the side in, make sure the sides are in, double check that everything's in the right groove. These are in, and then the last piece is to pull out the rubber flap and slide it back into the vent. Make sure these are over this lip. Make sure it's in nice and tight. Flip it around. You have 2 snaps in the back. One there. One there. And there you go. VFX liner installed, and you're ready to race.